at Bank Nifty daily chart, it doesn't look like distribution as there was no rejection tail on top. And also if it is distribution on daily chart, it would go too deep. So somehow it's not looking convincing. We'll see. What I'm saying is, let's say I'm saying this is distribution and you are saying this is not. Okay. Neither your opinion matters nor mine. What matters is how market treats it. So let's say when the market tries to go back up and it cannot find acceptance inside this whole balance, what does that tell you? It tells you that yes, this was, I mean, at least the selling is so strong that it's not letting the market come back in. Okay. And then it resumes its fall, perfectly allowed. Okay, just now what we saw, let's say it goes to the composite HVN, all right? And instead of just recovering this, it finds acceptance, goes to composite HVN and gets rejected, comes back down and lower value area, starts accelerating to the downside. This also is allowed. Both the situations are allowed. Or this turns out to be just one pause and we again resume the down move, that also is allowed. So I'll give you an example. See, this is an opposite example. So here we try to go higher, nice up day, then there is a one down day, and this just turns out to be a pause and the market then gets propelled upward. So what if we get that? Then what will we say? So whenever you're looking at a market development on a daily chart and it's kind of a 2-month long consolidation we are trying to break out of, developments are going to take time. You have to be patient, right? One day's activity, 2 days activity is not going to be enough to make sense of whether it is a breakdown or not from the distribution, whether this is a distribution or not. Now, what I am doing is I am trading based on the assumption that this in fact is a distribution. What I'm expecting, tag of this HVN to begin with and then go further from there. So now if I'm saying this is a distribution, does it mean that I am not going to change my mind, or if this does not turn out to be distribution, I should be put in jail? No. I make an assumption because this is a scientific method, all right? What you do, you make an assumption and then you observe the results of your experiment and then you try to find out whether that assumption is true or not. If the results are different from what you assume, okay, you change your mind, you you accept the new findings. If it confirms your assumption, okay, then your initial assumption was wrong and you proceed based on that assumption. Then you make the next one, right? So if you are not willing to change, making assumptions can be very, very dangerous. But if you are willing to take feedback from the market and then change your way of analyzing the markets or what you think about the markets, yes, then it's a different story and then it becomes really, really fantastic. So right now I'm saying this might be distribution. I may be proven wrong. And if I'm proven wrong, how will I be proven wrong? One, if it starts accepting here, I know we are going to tag composite HVN. So I get another tradable move. If it accepts above composite HVN, I know it is likely to go towards the top of the consolidation. I get another tradable move. If it rejects here, I know that it is going to come back down and probably whatever low we put in, it might test that. So I get another tradable move. If it continues higher and finds acceptance above that, then I know that this main trend is still unchanged. This looks like just an inventory adjustment break. So we are going to continue. So I then follow the trend to the upside. So that is how you take your trading decisions.